We live in an information age. Telecommunication is making its mark on people from all walks of life. Rapidly increasing tele-density in the developing world and ever-increasing demand of information flow from the developed world is resulting in massive expansion in worldwide networks. The need for quick and reliable transmission and retrieval of ever-increasing volumes of information over great distances is getting more and more important every day. If it were not for the advent of fiber optics, we may not have been witnessing the revolution in telecommunication that we are experiencing today. The networks that carry the bulk of the voice and data traffic across continents are all optical fiber networks. So are the national telecommunication backbones, and in a few years from now, so will be the subscriber loop. LTE Engineering and Trade Services is Pakistan's first and only optical fiber manufacturing facility. It is the only company in Pakistan that offers total turnkey solutions in the field of fiber optics. Established in 1992, LTE has been steadily keeping itself on the cutting edge of technology in the field of fiber optics. Collaborations with leading international companies, explorations of new avenues in telecommunication industry, and strict compliance to relevant ISO standards form the cornerstone of our overall corporate strategy.
We are proud to say that we have more than 75% market share in fiber optic cable in Pakistan.
The process of optical fiber manufacture starts from preforms. LTE has state-of-the-art preform manufacturing facility based on modified chemical vapor deposition technology that is capable of producing various types of preforms. These preforms are used to draw various types of telecommunication fibers, as well as specialty fibers for diverse applications. Before the optical fibers can be drawn, the preforms are subjected to fire polishing. The outer layer is evaporated to eliminate dirt and contaminations. This process ensures that the optical fibers retain high tensile strength during the drawing process. For drawing optical fiber, the fire-polished preforms are pulled through an electric resistive heating furnace, maintaining a class 10,000 cleanroom environment. Before further processing, the optical fiber is carefully tested for various geometrical as well as optical parameters as per ITU and IEC standards. Since each cable is designed for a particular application, it needs to be tested differently. LTE employs a strict quality control regime throughout the manufacturing process with rigorous testing at every point. Once these parameters are verified, the optical fiber is color-coded and sent to the cabling section. The bare fiber so produced is coated by dual UV-cured acrylate coating in a state-of-the-art applicator for its protection. This optical fiber is then 100% proof tested at a high tensile load to ensure optimum strength. The first step in optical fiber cable making is the manufacture of optical fiber loose tubes. LTE has a fully automated line for this purpose, which is manned by highly trained and experienced personnel. The line has built-in measurement and process control mechanisms to ensure high quality in the end product. The resulting optical fiber loose tubes are rolled up and inspected before being forwarded to the SZ stranding line. The SZ stranding line derives its name from the stranding pattern used to strand a number of optical fiber loose tubes together. This pattern is used for the high tensile strength it provides to the cable for use under extreme stress conditions. These cables are stranded together around a central strength member to increase the overall tensile strength of the cable ultimately produced. It is further strengthened by 2 rounds of binding it in aramid or glass yarns. The rolls of stranded cores are put on the sheathing line for final processing. Depending on the cable application, cables can be sheathed in different ways. If the cable is to be buried underground, the stranded cores are sheathed in 2 layers of corrugated steel tape. If the cable is to be used in ducts or for aerial deployment, a single layer of aluminium tape is used. The cable is then passed on to the extruder, where it is sheathed in low-density polyethylene, LDP, or high-density polyethylene, HDP. At this point, the cable is ready for deployment. LTE Engineering also provides a number of other high-quality products for international OEMs and telecommunication networks. These include interconnect products, such as single-mode, multi-mode patch cords and pigtails, and passive devices such as fiber couplers, tap couplers, WDMs, inline fixed attenuators, and inline fiber polarizers.